These types of videos are going viral right now and getting millions of views on a single short. After watching this tutorial, you will also be able to create these types of videos easily and for free. So let's get into it. The first thing we need is an idea. So go to the prompt doc, which will be in the description. Copy the idea prompt, paste it into GPT, and hit enter. It will give you 10 unique ideas for this specific niche. Now it's time for the script. To make the script, go to the prompt doc again, copy the script prompt, paste it into GPT, and also add the idea in it. Then after that, hit enter. This script prompt will help you make a professional script like other people. Now it's time for audio. First, to make the expressive script, go to the doc, copy the expression prompt, paste it into GPT, and also paste your script alongside it. Then hit enter. It will help make your voice more human-like. Now go to this site, paste your expressive script, and click on Synthesize. After a few minutes, your audio will be fully ready. You can also change accent, pitch, and loudness, etc. on this site. The site name is Speech Synthesis. Now it's time for visuals. First, we will make images and then convert them into videos. First, go to the Google Doc, copy the master prompt, go to GPT, paste the prompt there, copy your script, paste it also in the prompt, and then hit enter. It will give you image prompts and video prompts for every scene. So now, to create images for free, use Nano Banana Fast Model, Leonardo Eye, Whisk, Ideogram, and Revi. These are all freemium models, which can give you some images for free. I am using Nano Banana for this tutorial. Copy the first image prompt, paste it into Nano Banana, and hit enter. After some time, you will have a professional image for that specific scene. Now we have to convert this image into video. So download that image, upload it in Google Flow, and also add the video prompt for that scene in Flow, then hit enter. After some time, you will have videos as well. Free alternatives for video creation are LM Arena or simply Arena, Google Flow, Whisk, and vHere. So now your video is ready. Compile all the videos together in CapCut or other editing software, and you are ready to upload the video.